how to post long image on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how you can post long images on Instagram. So therefore let's begin with the video, but before beginning I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So let's say this is the picture. This you can see as an example on my screen right now. It's a short picture, and the picture you want to post is long like this that fits on the whole screen. So there are certain methods on how you can do it. One of it is just as I showed right now, you may just stretch it out and make it full screen, the image that you want to post as a long image. Or you may just go back to any of the photo editors and create an image. You may just resize it as well and create it on a portrait mode and come back on Instagram and just post it. You may use any of the photo editors that you may like, or go to any of the websites and search for long image and paste the image there, and they will convert your image into a long image. After that, just get back on Instagram and post that long image on Instagram. So therefore, by following those methods, you can post long images on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.